Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6575. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2022. It has an MPY, 2-litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by 8-speed automatic transmission. This is an MPY 2-litre twin turbo 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Left rear 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right front door mirror. Front bonnet, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, front leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.